we have the ZEPHYR model in the Pelican case. When we look at it from the back side, all of our components, accumulator, flow pass valve, etc., have all been kind of tied into this one unit that we see here. I guess starting from user interface to inside, on the back side of the case, we have our Raspberry Pi touchscreen. On the top, we have a kill switch as well as a key switch to activate the unit. Oxygen input is in here, as well as the oxygen check valve. On the left side of the case, if you will, is the hoses that are going towards the patient, inspiration and expiration. On the expiration line, we have our PEEP valve, as well as the HEPA filter, and then we have the PEEP pilot line that goes back into the case. Flipping back to the other side, we have our PEEP pilot again continuing into a solenoid valve, so that way we can actuate when we want to have PEEP and not. This is taking a pressure reading from the inside of the flow valve. At the bottom here, the two big batteries for our backup. So obviously they're on the bottom of the case for due to their large or heavy weight or mass. Our flow valve, so maybe we can go back here. And we have our accumulator at the top. In this case, we're using a piston style accumulator, which we can set the upper pressure or spring rate of the chamber through the Schrader valve. After which we have our air inlet. We have a pressure release valve. Both of them are filtered with HEPA filters. This is the oxygen line with check valve coming into. So we'll have basically our accumulator and mixing all in one. Mixing happens pre-blower. Our custom-made blower will then take that mixed air, push it through our custom flow valve. And this flow valve is going to alternate between inspiration and expiration. There we go. We'll be able to see what we deem the fidget spinner. And that's going to rotate and allow air to go into the inspiration or be blocked off and send recirculation back into that. And that'll be representative of the expiration process. Inspiration will then, once air goes through, will come through this tube, past the check valve, go past our venturi. Venturi will then have our two pressure transducers or differential pressure transducer or sensor to measure said pressure. Go back to our microcontroller and collect that data, and the air goes all the way back to the patient. And again, check valves everywhere to, or directional control valves to ensure that we don't send carbon monoxide back into the inspiration lines.